Hello guys, welcome to another one of Madrid's awesome, and yes, super busy spots. Today, we're exploring the famous Sunday market, El Rastro, where you can find literally everything. Ready for a walking tour? Let's go!
Yo no soy aquí.
Que allá había un montón de cosas de poemas especiales.
Juraría que no, pero vamos. La de Callao.
O sea, él quería más. Antes de la con que plata, ¿vale? Me fío de ti, no voy a contar.
We're strolling through the charming cobblestone streets around the Sunday market, making our way to the heart of El Rastro. Stick with us till the end, because there's so much more to discover. Let's keep exploring.
Seguramente esa energía tiene que estar contigo.
You can find literally anything here, and it's all way cheaper than the regular stores. Whatever you need, it's here, and for a total bargain. Let's see what awesome deals we can grab.
Cámara. Quiero que me haya chido. Este dilgaba con 20 años. Eso ya, es verdad, eso lo puedes poner tú. Creo que se
¿Qué tal oreja abajo?
Te compraría este lado de hielo.
A la vuelta. No quieres la sombra un poco. Vale.
Ah, como callejo. Sí, como calleja. Ah, como calleja. Ahora cuando vamos para arriba,
Look how crazy packed it is. We could barely squeeze through, but it was totally worth it. Every stall had something cool to check out, so it never got boring. Spain is all about good vibes. The people here are so lively and cheerful, and you can feel their love for music and dance everywhere. Just stroll through the streets, and you'll find amazing street performers that make you want to join in. At the Sunday Market in Madrid, the energy is off the charts. Dancing, laughter, and a ton of fun. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on this epic experience. Let's dive into the incredible spirit of Spain together. In another part of town, we came across an amazing group of street musicians that were just bursting with energy. They had everyone completely hooked, and a big crowd had gathered around, soaking up the incredible street music and dance. You could feel the joy in the air. It was one of those moments that made you want to dance along and enjoy every second.
Había uno que era así, pero 30 euros y no tiene la lente rota.
If you're enjoying the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a like. Your support gives us the energy to keep going and brings you even more awesome content. Thanks for being with us.
Cuando recojamos que empieza a caer.
No, que va.
Para allá, ¿verdad? Y vuelvo a bajar. Gracias, gracias.
Over at the Sunday Market, we found another incredible group of musicians playing beautifully. Their tunes were so infectious that people just couldn't help but dance along. The vibe was amazing, with everyone enjoying the lively street music and letting loose. It was the kind of scene that made you feel alive and ready to join in on the fun.
Pero tú pides mucho, ¿sabes? No puede. Eso es moneda. Ah, bueno, esto no funcionar también. ¿Qué atributos se usan? Estava até falando de se as filhas dele não compram, elas ganham.
Claro, tío. Hace la gracia y tal. Hace tonterías y a la...
porque sí, yo... Y no hay nada que hacer. Es un
Are you already hungry? Okay. Not that hard. Bueno.
Está lleno. Eso es lo visto. A mí me dejaron de ir, pero fue
Sí, lo he visto. Mi papá abrió una tienda de vinilos, ¿sabes? Se ha puesto a mirar con los heavy que había.
solo he visto uno,
Me mandas un video. Bueno, tenía un programa de estos. A ver, entiendo.
La de la moto.
Yo no soy aquí.
No encontraría.
Te pega.
We came across this street rapper who brought an incredible energy to the Sunday market. Just a few steps away, there was a guitarist playing, and people were dancing everywhere. It kept us exploring for hours without feeling tired. Every corner we turned, we found something new and surprising that made us smile and enjoy the moment even more.
Very beautiful Paris.
La única forma de que...
Very beautiful.
Venga, una manita mía,
We hope you enjoyed this vibrant and bustling video. Thanks for sticking with us and for all your support. We can't wait to see you in the next video.
Yeah, 6, 7 families. Yeah.
No.